What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name's Kwongofoam, and welcome to the season finale of the first season of Cooking with Kwongofoam. Now, you might be saying, but why a season finale so soon? Well, because I want to end the freaking season, so yeah, sucks to be you. Alright, so in this episode, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a protein shake. It's going to be the manliest protein shake you've ever seen. You will get ripped after you drink this. Just one drink, and you will be so ripped that you will get all of the hot babes from your local car dealerships. Alright, so first off, you gotta take your protein powder. Now, get in there. I'm gonna be getting there tonight. Ooh. Now you don't really need that much, actually. That much should do. I'm just gonna kind of put that in there. Get it in there. I'll be getting in there tonight too. Ooh. Alright, so now we're gonna get that out of the way. The simple green's not in it, don't worry. I'm not ready to kill myself yet. Now we need some oats. Get that open. Be getting that open tonight. Woo! Take a couple oats, about 28 oats should do. So put that in there. Close that up, get that out of the way. Now we're going to add the milk. Put a little bit of that in there. Yeah, that's good. And I personally like to use 2% reduced fat, stay healthy. All right, now for the secret touch. The green plant juice. We're gonna get a bit of that. Put that in there. Ooh, there you go. Look at that. That's pretty good. Alright. That's pretty good. Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna take the water. Just gonna add a good bit of water. And now we have to stir it. So I'm gonna grab a spoon, knock everything down the process. We're gonna stir that together. It's done. And now, for my secret touch, we put it in the microwave. Oh, my microwave's broke. Oh well. We're gonna just put that for 30 seconds. Uh-oh, that didn't sound good. Don't worry, it'll be fine. Alright, we're gonna taste the drink now. Our protein shake. Here we go, cheers. That's pretty That's pretty gross, to be honest. I'm just gonna yeah, that didn't work like I thought it would. Well, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next season. Maybe we'll actually make some good food. Bye.